From the streets of Shibuya to a birthday cake in Glade Park, Filipinos in Tokyo turned former President Rodrigo Duterte's 81st birthday into both a celebration and a protest. A march through one of Japan's busiest districts drew an emotional crowd, angry over his detention at the International Criminal Court and determined to make their voices heard. Our Japan correspondent Guy Saito has this exclusive report from Shibuya.
Filipinos here in Japan continue to rally behind former President Rodrigo Duterte 1 year after his detention by the International Criminal Court. Calls for justice from Filipinos in Japan continue following the detention of former Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte at ICC. During the Unity March here at Jingodori Park in Tokyo, several Filipinos expressed anger and continued frustration after the Marcos Jr. administration handed the former president over to foreign authorities.
Actually, yung ginawa po ng government and the present government po kay PRRD is isa pong malaking katrayduran.
Parang ang sakit-sakit talaga. Ang tanda na niya siya, 81 years old na siya. Wag na dapat siyang ikulong.
Unang-una, galit kami talaga yung nararamdaman ng mga Pilipino, lalo kami dito sa Japan. Kasi hindi naman tama yung ikulong nyo ang matanda na walang kalaban-laban.
The Unity March lasted for more than 1 hour and was attended by many Filipinos in Japan. The activity was also timed with the 81st birthday celebration of FPRRD, which drew more participants. From Jingodori, the crowd moved to Glade Park in Shibuya, the venue for the birthday celebration of the former president. They prepared a large birthday cake and shared Filipino food. According to the Republic Defenders for Peace and Unity or RDPU, the group behind the activity, many Filipinos in Japan continue to support FPRRD.
Ipaglalaban ka namin, Tatay Digong, sa kahit anong mangyari. Kung pwedeng ibigay ang isang buhay, ang buhay ko, kaya kong ibigay. Mauwi ka lang, Tay. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Tatay Digong.
Kami ay hindi tigil. Buong tapang po kaming maninindigan. Kulang po ang ibayad ang aming sarili o ang aming buhay para ikaw ay balik. Tatay Digong, we will bring you home alive.
Filipinos in Japan expressed gratitude for the war on drugs under the Duterte administration. They credit Duterte's administration with giving them peace of mind while working abroad, believing their families in the Philippines were safer from crime and illegal drugs. They also cited tangible policy gains, the extension of the Philippine passport validity to 10 years, the issue of tanimbala or bullet planting or dropping at airports, which previously caused hardship for OFWs, was also dismantled. In addition, Duterte approved the creation of the Department of Migrant Workers, the OFW Hospital, and the OFW Bank, and supported scholarship grants for OFW dependents. And on FPRRD's 81st birthday, Filipinos in Japan expressed their warmest greetings and well wishes.
Birthday wish ko kay Tatay Digong, sana po magiging malakas kayo at makalabas kayo dyan sa naghugot, nagkidnap sa'yo. So kami, bilang Pilipino, buong puso kaming susuporta sa'yo.
Sana makalaya pa siya na buhay pa, makauwi ng Pilipinas or pwede rin siya pumunta dito sa Japan kahit na ako na mag-alaga, okay lang sa akin. Walang problema po.
Para kay Tatay Digong, tatagan niyo po, Tatay. Dahil ang pagmamahal ng lahat kaming mga Pilipino ay taus-puso na galing sa puso namin. Hindi namin kayo malilimutan hanggang mamatay kami at hanggang mga na kami. Yung kaapo-apuhan namin, ituturo namin sa kanila kung paano mo minahal ang Pilipinas.
Happy birthday, Tatay Digong. Wish ko po good health. Sana malampasan po nyo ang lahat ng pagsubok sa buhay nyo. And God bless you. I love you, Tatay Digong. I love you. Miss you so much.
Ang birthday wish ko kay Tatay Digong, umuwi ka na, Tay. Dapat umuwi ka na, hindi ka nababagay dyan sa banyagang lugar sa dahig. Dapat iuwi ka. Gagawin namin lahat kaming mga ordinaryong Pilipino na nandito sa Japan.
Kami dito sa Japan, hindi kami titigil. Hindi lang ang makauwi ka. We want you home alive. Ang aming laban ay nadala na po namin sa Parliament ng Japan noong November. Ngayon po, ang House of Councilors po ng Japan, ng Parliament, ay inaanyayahan po ang ating lahat na mga makabayan at nagmamahal sa bayan na ipaliwanag kung paano nangyari na ang mahalin ang ating bansa, ang magsilbi sa ating bansa ay kailangang humantong sa isang pagkidnap.
The Filipino community here in Japan has vowed to participate in all activities supporting the former president. They also pledged to continue educating the Japanese community on what they describe as injustices against the former Philippine leader, saying these are all purely politically motivated. Reporting from Shibuya, Japan, this has been Guy Saito, reporting for Newsline World.